Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best dog poop bag on the market, the Amazon Basics Dog Poop Bags with Dispenser. If you're a dog owner, you know how important it is to have reliable, sturdy, and convenient waste bags for your daily walks. This product promises to deliver all that and more, so let's dive into the details. The Amazon Basics Dog Poop Bags come in a massive pack of 540 bags, which means you won't be running out anytime soon. The bags are unscented, which is great for those who prefer no added fragrances while handling pet waste. They measure a generous 13 by 9 inches, offering ample size coverage to clean up after dogs of all sizes comfortably. One of the standout features of these bags is their leak-proof design. Made from high-density polyethylene and polypropylene materials, these bags are engineered to keep your hands clean and protected during use. The bags feel thick and durable, so you can trust them not to tear or leak, which is crucial when you're out and about. The bags come on a roll with a convenient break point for easy tearing, making it quick and hassle-free to grab a new bag every time you need one. To make things even easier, the package includes a handy plastic dispenser. The dispenser is compact and lightweight, designed to let you pull out bags smoothly without fumbling. Plus, it comes with a carabiner clip so you can easily attach it to your leash or belt loop, keeping your hands free and the bags always accessible. This pack contains 36 rolls, each with 15 bags. The dispenser and leash clip combo make this set perfect for dog owners who want a practical solution for waste cleanup during their walks. The bags are also certified frustration-free, so the packaging is designed to be easy to open and eco-conscious. When it comes to price, these bags are extremely affordable given the quantity and quality. At just around 2 cents per bag, you're getting a high volume of dependable bags without breaking the bank. The size, durability, and leak-proof quality make this an excellent value for daily use. In summary, the Amazon Basics Dog Poop Bags with Dispenser provide everything a dog owner needs: large, strong, leak-proof bags, an easy-to-use dispenser, and a convenient leash clip. Whether you have a small pup or a large dog, these bags will give you peace of mind on every walk. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.